Good morning, students. This is Suman Chaswal, your English teacher. How are all of you? Fine? I'm good too. So, I'm coming towards the end of my parts of speech. And last class I had given you preposition and the exercises. I hope all of you have done them and evaluated yourselves how you were able to answer them. Today I'm going to give you on conjunctions. I hope you all know what are conjunctions. They are also called connectors. Okay, they connect, they join words, phrases, or sentences. They are known as conjunctions. Okay, so we will do first simple conjunctions, then we will do pair conjunctions. Okay, so they join words, phrases, or sentences. Okay, now here I have given you some easy ones. And okay, let's join two words. Ram and Mohan are brothers. Okay, so we have joined two words, Ram and Mohan, and we have joined with this conjunction and. Ram and Mohan are brothers. Okay, I can use by joining two sentences also. How I can say? Ram is sick and Mohan is looking after him. So here I have joined two sentences. Ram is sick, the first sentence. Mohan is looking after him, second sentence. And I joined by using and. Ram is sick and Mohan is looking after him. Okay, so we can join words, phrases, or sentences. So the first was a simple one, which is and. Next is but. Where do we use but? When we are going to do some contrast. For example, Ram is rich but a miser. Miser means who does not like to spend money. Okay, he is very this thing about his money. He doesn't always keeps control, doesn't want to spend it. In Hindi we call kanjoos. Okay, so Ram is rich but a miser. Though he has got a lot of money, but he is very stingy in spending it. Okay, so I have used Ram is rich but a miser. Okay, I have joined it by using this. Okay, or is a choice. Okay, would you like tea or coffee? If somebody comes to your house, you will ask the person what he would like. So, would you like tea or coffee? Choice. Either tea or coffee. Okay. So, when there is a choice, we use or. Take it or leave it. Okay. Next is because. Because always gives a reason. We use because for a reason. I am not going to school. I am not going to school because I am not feeling, I am not well. Okay, so reason. I am not going to school. Why I am not going to school? It's giving a reason. Because I am not well. Okay, so because we always use in a sentence where we are giving the sky is blue because there are clouds. Okay, the teacher is on a holiday because she has some event in her house. Okay, so we always give a reason. If is supposition. Suppose this happens, if that happens. Okay, so we use if. You will score good marks if you study hard. Okay. So if you will score good marks if you study hard. It's giving you a condition that if you will score good marks. How will you score good marks? If you study hard. So we are using if in a conditional sentence. Then so. So is also like as. So as. Okay. Like I said, this one, he is not well, so he is not going to school. The other way around. He is not going to school because he is not well. Now I've changed it. He is not well, so he is not going to school. Okay? Although. How do we use although? When we are using it for some contrast. Like take the sentence Ram. Although Ram is rich, he is a miser. Okay, when we are doing a contrast, rich and miser. So although Ram is rich, he is a miser. Here I said Ram is rich but a miser. Okay, so here when we are using also in contrast, then we can use although. It comes in the beginning. Although Ram is rich, he is a miser. So I have given you conjunctions and, but, or, because, if, so, although. Ram and Mohan are brothers. Ram is rich but a miser. Would you like tea or coffee? I'm not going to school because I'm not well. You will score good marks if you study hard. He is not well, so he is not going to school. Although Ram is rich, he is a miser. Okay? So, these were some of the conjunctions that I used. Now, let's take some more. Let's take some more conjunctions. Remember, they are words which are used to connect either words, phrases or sentences. Now see this conjunction while. While is a conjunction which we use when two actions are going simultaneously. My mother is cooking while means at the same time. While your mother was cooking, my mother is cooking while my father is reading the newspaper. Okay, both actions are going side by side. Then we use the conjunction while. My mother is cooking while my father is reading the newspaper. Okay, your mother is cooking in the kitchen and your father is sitting in the sitting room and reading the newspaper. So both actions are going on simultaneously. Okay, also take another example. I am studying while my sister is playing. Okay, so both actions are going on together. You are studying in your room and your sister is playing out in the garden. Okay, both actions are going on together. So we use while. Take the next one. Since. Now this word since can be used as a preposition also and used as a conjunction also. For example, I say, it is a month since he left. So always remember joins. It is a month, one part of the sentence, he left, another part of the sentence. So it is a month since he left. So it is joining both parts by the conjunction since. Okay. Take another one. Now this unless and until. Remember this unless and until we always use when there is a situation negative. Unless is for a situation and until is for a time. And both are used when it is negative. Okay, when there is a negative. For example, I say, you will not pass unless you work hard. Okay, here I am doing a situation, but it's a negative. You will not, the word not has come, negative. You will not pass unless you work hard. Okay, now until is, this is for a situation. Now until for time. Don't go until I come. Okay. So here also there is a negative. Don't means do not. Don't go until I come. So remember students, unless and until I always use in negative situation and something which is telling about some time. Okay. So you will not pass unless you work hard. Don't go until I come. So use of until and unless. Okay. Take another one. Even till. We use in a positive way. Wait here till I come. Okay. So here don't use until because this is positive. There is no negative here. So wait here till I come. Okay. Sometimes people say wait here until I come. Okay. So wait here till I come. Then as. She sang as she worked hard. Okay. She sang as she worked hard. So we have joined by as. She's working hard and she's singing also. Here now, like I told you, which is the connector that we can use when to action? She sang while she worked hard. I can also use here while. She sang while she worked hard. Remember when you're doing any work which is sick and you're humming also and you're singing also. So both works are going on together. Okay. So we can use as and we can use while. Take another one. Still. Okay. But how do we use this thing? Still. He is 80. Still he is strong. Means although he is 80 years old, still he is going strong. Okay. So here see, I've used still. Now as I said although he is 80, he is strong. I can use it like that also. He is 80, still he is strong. Although he is 80, still, then I will not use still. Although he is 80, he is strong. Either way I can use although or I use in between still. Understood? So this thing, as she sang, as she worked hard, he is, now these are diminutives as, okay, as, hard as, nails, that I will tell you later. Okay. So these were some of the what you call conjunctions which I told you, the simple ones. Now I will tell you the pair conjunctions. Pair conjunctions. For example, either or, neither nor, not only but also. Next I will give you what you call both and, whether Now let's take either or in a positive manner. Either Ram will go or Mohan. Means out of the two, one will go. Either Ram will go or Mohan. We need not say will go. We can leave that out. Either Ram will go or Mohan. It is understood, or Mohan will go. Take another example of either or. Either he or his brother did it. Either he or his brother did it. Okay? He has done it, or maybe his brother has done it. Out of them two, one has done it. So either he or his brother did it. And we can do this also. Either Ram or Mohan will go. We can use the action at the back. Either Ram or Mohan will go. Okay? Now take neither nor. Now let's do the next one. Neither nor. He was neither. This word is, you can pronounce it neither or neither. Both are correct. Either or either. He was neither fined nor punished. He was neither fined nor punished. Neither he was given a punishment nor he was given a fine. Okay? Ram was neither happy nor excited about the party. Means neither he was happy nor he was excited about the party. So Ram was neither happy nor excited about the party. Okay. Now here take both and. He is both rich and smart. Okay. We are talking about two good qualities. He is both rich and smart. He is rich also and he is smart also. Okay. So we are using both and. Both and. Okay. Now take another one. He is both rich and smart. Ram is both hardworking and honest. Remember, when we use both and, we have to have the same qualities. Alright? Ram is both hardworking and honest. We cannot have one positive and one negative. Right? Ram is both lazy and dishonest. Then both negative. Okay? So he is both rich and smart. Ram is both hardworking and honest. Both qualities should be same. Same means positive, and cannot be one positive and one negative. Both have to be positive or both have to be negative. Now take the next one, whether or. Whether you like it or not, you have to do it. Okay. Whether you like it or not, whether or, you have to do it. Okay. Whether you go or not, whether you go or not, you must complete your work. Means even if you go or if you don't go, you have to complete your work. So whether or. Okay. Now let's say this one, not only but also. Not only is Ram rich, but also smart. Not only is Ram rich, but also smart. We can use it the other way also. Ram is not only rich, but also smart. Okay. So what is this showing? This is showing that we can use good qualities in this way. Earlier also I had told you both. Ram is both rich and smart. Another way I can say Ram is not only rich but also smart. Okay? So when we are talking about the same either positive or negative qualities, we can use not only but also. Okay? So I gave you pair. These are known as pair conjunctions. They come in together. Pair means two. Okay? So either or, neither nor. Not only but also, both and, whether or. Okay? So these were the pair conjunctions. So students, today I have given you about conjunctions, simple ones and also pair conjunctions. So what are conjunctions? Once again, let's recap. Conjunctions are words which connect words, phrases or sentences. Okay? The examples for conjunctions are and, but, or, if, unless, until, because and so on. And pair conjunctions, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or. Okay? So these are the pair conjunctions. Both and, these are the pair conjunctions. So next class I will be giving you exercise to fill in with conjunctions. And I will also be giving you a flow chart where we have to use this conjunction, where we have to use the pair conjunction. Okay, I will give you a flow chart or a table. Actually, it will be not a flow chart but a table in which I will be differentiating the different conjunctions, so it becomes easy for you to understand where I have to use this type of conjunction. Okay, and conjunctions are very important. Why? Because it increases the level of your speaking of English. For example, I say, a small child will also say, I eat a mango, banana and an orange. Okay. Now, as your level increases, you can also say, I not only eat a banana but also an orange and a mango. Okay. I eat a mango. In addition to that, I also eat a banana and an orange. So what am I doing? I am saying the same thing, but I am using a connector and making it a better level of English. So connectors really help, and especially students when you write your articles, 150 words, 200 words, how to connect one paragraph with the other. By using these connectors, it will really help you to, and the paragraph what you have written in the top, then it will flow into the next and that will flow into the next and so on. So there will be a continuation. Otherwise what happens? It is very disjointed. One paragraph is totally different, the other one is not connecting with that. So these connectors help you to connect your whatever article you are writing about. Okay, whatever topic you are writing about. So they are very helpful. They help to increase the level of your English and make you more well versed in spoken English too. So I will be giving you next class with the table, so that will help you to identify where to use which conjunction. Understood, students? So this was all for today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and do write in the comment box how did you like the class and what all would you like me to give all of you. Thank you, children, and God bless all of you.